These are 40 practical, easy-to-follow habits that can transform how you think, learn, and approach life. Stick with me and you'll feel a noticeable difference in how sharp and capable you feel over time. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. 1. Read something challenging daily. Don't just scroll through social media. Challenge yourself with material that makes you think. Read books on topics you're unfamiliar with, deep dive into long-form articles, or explore different perspectives. The key is to stretch your mind beyond your comfort zone. 2. Ask more questions. Curiosity is the foundation of intelligence. Instead of nodding along, ask why or how. Ask why systems work the way they do, how someone arrived at a conclusion, or why a rule exists. Questioning helps you connect dots others might miss. 3. Write to reflect. Journaling isn't just about venting, it's a tool for clarity. Write down what you learn, your thoughts, or challenges you face. Writing forces you to organize your ideas, and in doing so, you sharpen your critical thinking. 4. Surround yourself with smarter people. They say you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Spend time with people who inspire you to level up, challenge your thinking, and push you toward growth. 5. Turn mistakes into lessons. Stop fearing failure and start seeing it as feedback. When something doesn't go your way, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? The more you reflect on your mistakes, the smarter and more adaptive you become. 6. Limit mindless entertainment. There's nothing wrong with unwinding, but binge-watching reality TV all day doesn't exactly expand your mind. Swap out some of that time for a thought-provoking documentary, an educational YouTube channel, or even a stimulating podcast. 7. Teach what you learn. They say the best way to master something is to teach it to someone else. When you explain concepts to others, you're forced to break them down in simple terms, which strengthens your understanding. 8. Practice active listening. Instead of waiting for your turn to speak, focus entirely on what the other person is saying. Ask follow-up questions. Active listening helps you process new information better and shows you care, which builds relationships. 9. Develop a problem-solving mindset. Start looking at problems as puzzles to solve. Whether it's a work issue, a personal challenge, or a broken appliance, take a moment to analyze it. Break it into smaller parts, think critically, and come up with solutions. 10. Track your progress. Keep tabs on your personal growth. Whether it's learning a new skill, reading books, or achieving small goals, tracking progress reinforces the habit of improvement and keeps you motivated to keep going. 11. Embrace discomfort. Growth doesn't happen when you're comfortable. Push yourself into unfamiliar territory, whether that's learning a new language, joining a debate club, or tackling a skill you've avoided. Discomfort is the price of becoming smarter. 12. Solve puzzles and play strategy games. Chess, Sudoku, crosswords, and even video games like Civilization challenge your brain and improve problem-solving skills. Plus, they're a fun way to stay sharp. 13. Meditate for mental clarity. Meditation isn't just for stress relief, it helps you focus, clears mental clutter, and improves your decision-making. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day can help you think more clearly and creatively. 14. Read widely, not just deeply. Diversify your reading list. If you're always reading business books, throw in some philosophy, history, or fiction. It helps you develop a well-rounded perspective and connect ideas across fields. 15. Practice gratitude. It might seem unrelated, but gratitude rewires your brain for positivity, which boosts problem-solving and creativity. Start or end your day by listing 3 things you're grateful for and notice how it changes your mindset. 16. Get enough sleep. Intelligence doesn't thrive on exhaustion. Sleep is when your brain consolidates memories, repairs itself, and processes what you've learned. Aim for 7 to 9 hours and watch your cognitive abilities improve. 17. Learn to say no. Overcommitting leaves no time for personal growth. By saying no to things that don't serve your goals, you free up mental energy and time for the things that do, like learning, practicing, and growing. 18. Engage in meaningful conversations. Instead of small talk, ask deeper questions. Talk about ideas, aspirations, and challenges. Thoughtful conversations with others expose you to new perspectives and help you sharpen your communication skills. 19. Stay physically active. Your body and mind are connected. Exercise improves blood flow to your brain, boosts memory, and reduces stress. A healthy body supports a sharp, focused mind, so don't skip that workout. 20. Consume high-quality information. In a world full of noise, be selective about what you consume. Follow credible sources, read thoughtful blogs, and watch content that informs rather than distracts. The information you feed your brain shapes your thinking. 21. Learn one new thing daily. Whether it's a new word, a historical fact, or a piece of trivia, make it a habit to learn something new every day. It keeps your brain engaged and builds a habit of lifelong learning. 22. Practice critical thinking. Don't just accept information at face value. Analyze it. Look for evidence. Challenge assumptions, even your own. This habit will make you a smarter, more discerning thinker. 23. Prioritize deep work. Focus on one task at a time and give it your full attention. Multitasking dilutes your effort, while deep work allows you to produce high-quality results and stretch your cognitive abilities. 24. Keep a beginner's mindset. Even if you're experienced in a field, approach things as if you're a beginner. It opens you up to new ideas, keeps your ego in check, and encourages continuous learning. 25. Eliminate negative self-talk. If you're constantly telling yourself you're not smart enough, your brain believes it. Replace those thoughts with empowering ones. Confidence is a multiplier for intelligence. 26. Expose yourself to new cultures. Travel. Try new foods or learn about different customs. Understanding diverse ways of life broadens your perspective and increases your ability to think globally. 27. Revisit your goals regularly. Reflection helps you stay aligned. Check in with your goals and adjust them based on what you've learned. This habit ensures you're always growing in the right direction. 28. Challenge your memory. Make it a habit to memorize things like a grocery list, important phone numbers, or quotes. Training your memory strengthens your brain's ability to recall information under pressure. 29. Watch less. Create more. Instead of passively consuming content, spend time creating. Whether it's writing, designing, coding, or crafting, engaging in creative activities forces you to think critically and innovatively. 30. Stay curious about trends. Be aware of emerging technologies, industries, or movements. Staying ahead of trends keeps you informed and ensures you're adapting to the future instead of resisting it. 31. Learn financial literacy. Many smart people struggle with managing money. Learn the basics of investing, budgeting, and understanding debt to build long-term security and make informed decisions. 32. Practice delayed gratification. The ability to wait for better outcomes is a cornerstone of intelligence. Whether it's saving money instead of spending impulsively or sticking to a plan for long-term success, this habit can transform your life. 33. Debate respectfully. Have thoughtful discussions with people who disagree with you. Learning to see things from different perspectives, defending your views with logic, and listening attentively sharpens your reasoning skills. 34. Spend time alone with your thoughts. Give your brain space to wander. Disconnect from devices, sit quietly, and let your mind think freely. Many breakthroughs happen when you're not bombarded by distractions. 35. Eat brain-boosting foods. Nutrition plays a key role in mental clarity. Incorporate foods rich in omega-3 south, antioxidants, and vitamins like fish, nuts, berries, and leafy greens into your diet to fuel optimal brain function. 36. Volunteer to teach or mentor. Sharing your knowledge with others solidifies your understanding. It also forces you to find simple ways to explain complex ideas, which makes you a better communicator. 37. Declutter your environment. A cluttered space can lead to a cluttered mind. Keep your workspace tidy and organized to improve focus and reduce mental fatigue. 38. Keep a dream journal. Your subconscious works on problems while you sleep. Recording your dreams can give you insight into your thought processes and spark creative ideas. 39. Practice mind mapping. When brainstorming ideas or tackling big projects, create visual maps to organize your thoughts. This technique helps you see connections and approach problems systematically. 40. Limit mindless scrolling. Set time limits for social media and entertainment apps. Replace that time with activities that feed your brain, like reading or practicing a skill. Remember, becoming smarter isn't about being perfect, it's about being consistent and curious. Small changes compound over time, and before you know it, you'll be operating on a whole new level.